Hello everyone. Hope all are doing well. Our today's session is going to be a super special session as it is going to be a Thanksgiving to our beloved dad. As we all know, Father's Day is to be celebrated on 15th of June. I have come up with some ideas that can make your Father's Day celebration yet more special. I hope you will find it helpful. So without wasting our time, let's start with today's session. The first thing which can be considered is a beautiful greeting card. It can be a DIY one, or if you are busy with your task, you can choose one beautiful design from my description link. The second thing which can be on your wish list is a pillow. It can be a customized one with a beautiful quote which you have designed. If you are able to customize it at your local place, that is well and good, or else you can find one in my description link. Third one, you can prefer a customized coffee mug with a beautiful quote. You can find one in my description link as well. The real purpose of any celebration is to cherish the memories which we have created throughout our life. So there can be no other option as beautiful as a photo frame which can highlight the memories which we have built throughout. You can personally create a collage that highlights the special moments in your lives. A next option can be a beautiful set of tie which our dad can carry at his workplace. Next idea can be to buy a beautiful set of cufflings. This is my personal idea as well. Though they look minute, but whenever a person carries this, it gives him a more elegant look. So personally, I would like to suggest to make your Father's Day special by giving him a set of cufflinks. Next option can be a office bag. If dad is carrying files or laptop to the office daily, you can choose this option as well. Our next option can be a set of perfume which can make him feel enlightened throughout the day and recall all the efforts his child has taken to make him feel special. Our next option can be to gift our dad his favorite grooming kit. And the last option which I would like to suggest will be to gift a beautiful wallet where he can carry his credit cards, debit cards and the visiting cards if he need to carry it. I hope you people might have enjoyed this session and might have got some beautiful ideas. If really you feel this has been useful to you, drop a comment and thank you for being connected.